3 ways that we can craft a narrative, that is a story, that supports the idea of having AI-empowered tools while combining that with the human, good old, innovative thinking skills that we've got. So rather than having AI is going to replace your jobs, but AI is going to augment or help you get more stuff done. Number 1 is to share success stories and case studies, both internal and external, that share how we can actually use AI to make our life easier, to get rid of those nasty activities that we've got to do, to expedite the work, to make it easier to come up with great solutions. The second thing we can do is to create a co-created message. So rather than talk about artificial intelligence, rather frame it up as augmented intelligence. Just doing that subtle shift, as this is a skill that enables us, helps us to get more stuff done rather than replace us, will really help to get people on board. And the third and final thing that we can do is to run town halls and to create transparency. So this is where it's really important that we have leaders that are sharing that AI is about helping people to become better at their jobs, not to replace their jobs, and listening to what people's concerns are. If we do those 3 things, you're going to find a much better engagement and motivation in embracing AI as part of your culture. If you like what we've been talking about, please check us out at ideaswithlegs.com or breakthroughinnovator.com. Thanks for watching.